After I graduated at Philippine Normal University, I faced lots of challenges, and one of those is teaching a subject that I didn't master, like music. But Inang Pamantasan didn't allow us to go out of Inang Pamantasan unless you are flexible enough to teach a subject that you didn't master, because Inang Pamantasan taught us to be flexible enough. Inang Pamantasan taught us that there are lots of strategy that we can use to teach the subject that we didn't master, so that we can cater all the contents that we need to teach to our students. So I thank you, Inang Pamantasan, for teaching me how to be flexible.
When you're a graduate of the Philippine Normal University, you are expected to be the best. You are expected to do beyond or to work beyond your capacity. The expectations from the principals, from the teachers, from the community are really high. But I take that as a positive challenge. I set my standards, my goals as a teacher higher than their expectations. With that, I was able to give my best wholeheartedly for my children, for the Filipino children. And when I was 20 years old, I worked at a private school, and then I moved into a public school, and I made sure that I am better, not better than with my colleagues, better than with my co-teachers, but better teacher than who I am yesterday. Their expectations are good, but you have to set yourself an expectation that you can give with all your heart.